Hi, I'm Nick Esco. I'm with Google, and we're here today at ISE to showcase some of our latest Google Meet hardware products, one of which is the Logitech Rally Bar kit here. It's all built around this all-in-one Logitech Rally Bar, speaker, microphone, dual cameras here. One of the nice features about this, because it has a dual camera, is that we have picture-in-picture speaker tracking. So when you're in a call, you'll see the meeting room, but you'll also see a picture-in-picture view of whoever's talking at that point in time, which allows you to focus on what's happening during the call. Also, mic pods available, so if you're fitting out a larger room, you can use the mic pods and daisy chain up to 4 of them across the room to allow you to make sure that the microphone's picking up everyone. It's all powered by a CTL Chromebox here. That basically allows us to deliver all the features that you expect from Google Meet hardware. And the tap controller over here is how you control everything. So if you want to join a call, single tap to join, takes you straight into the call, and that's everything you need to do to join the call. But of course, if you want to change anything, there's very, very easy to understand controls here. So muting, disabling video, changing the volume. We've got a frame people function here, which essentially allows you to just a single tap, and it isolates the people in the room, cuts out any space around them, so it's easy to focus. Captions as well, and we have the options for real-time live translation from English into French, German, Spanish and Portuguese with more languages to follow. Really, and the new feature, a couple of new features are emojis, which allow you to provide a bit of non-verbal feedback during calls, and you can also raise a hand if you want to ask a question to show someone that you want to ask that question. Another device is just a mock-up here, but coming from Logitech later on is the Logitech site. This is a camera that will sit on your meeting room table in the center of the room, and it essentially allows you to show people from different angles and to make sure that everyone's shown to the best light during the calls. So this is one of the products we're showcasing. If you'd like to look at anything else, you can go to our website, which is meetingdevices.withgoogle.com. And thank you very much.